Welcome back. In this one, we are going to create some 3D aspects so that the building looks more realistic and not just conceptual. Firstly, let us give it some mass. So I'm going to do that by extruding these surfaces. So we will have extrude. Okay, so this will allow us to extrude the surface as well. These are all the geometries that need to be extruded up in the z direction of 4 units. Actually, we don't have to type in 4 units. We'll simply take it from here because this is the height of each floor. So now we are getting closer, and um, we can have a look at it in the shaded one. Let's give it some color, and that's how it will um, be solid material. Okay, let me get the custom preview. Put the geometry in, give it some color, hide everything else. So we get the profile of the building. You need some stilts. We will get there in a bit. So what I can do is I can get the corners by explode. Mm, 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 mm. We need the first geometry. So we'll take item and list item. And then from all these vertices, we are going to have lines going down. Okay, line STL. Direction will be negative z minus 4. Negative 4. Okay, length can be 4 and direction can be just negative z. And then you can put in a pipe, or you can have rectangles to get those um, columns. But the thing is, it might protrude outside, so we would need everything to be an offset inside of around 0.23 or 0.115. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an offset curve. Take this, distance will be 0.15, and we will take negative value of 0.15 and put it into the distance, and then we'll take this curve and put it in explode, and that's how you can see that all of these columns are now inside and not on the edge. So now we can easily create columns by piping these points. There are several ways you could do. I am piping it, and I'll take 1.15 as the radius, and I'm going to cap them. Brilliant. And I'm going to hide everything. I'm going to custom preview. I'm going to hide all of these. So you can see that there are these stilts, and then you've got so many floors. and this is pretty practical, and you can actually see how high the building is going, how it would look like, and what is the FSI being consumed. Um, you might be questioning like how can the FSI be so less even though we are going so high? That is because this is a corner plot and we are leaving out a lot of space from both of these sides. And because it's a corner plot, so there are 3 meters being left on both sides and 1.5 meters from the um, leftover two sides. So I think this is good enough for now. You can play with different values, number of floors, height of floor, the height of stilt. Oh, you need to fix this. So I think instead of 4, we need to go from here. Let me try. Length will be, oh, sorry. The length will be from here. Perfect. Now it is fixed. So we can change the stilt height and it can be different than the floor height. Okay, brilliant. So that is all for this session and see you in the next one.